So I recently installed this grab bar into the shower wall here. As you can expect, you do want a proper fitting for a grab bar. People will be holding on to it and even putting some of their weight on it. So you want to make sure you find the wall studs and install it into the stud so it doesn't fall off. One challenge I did have was trying to find the wall stud behind the tiles. Because of the thickness of the tile and the sheetrock, a regular stud finder was giving me inconsistent results. I mean, you could buy a more expensive stud finder, but for most of us that could be an unnecessary expense. So what I was able to find at the hardware store that helped me indirectly find the studs was to use this magnet. It's a very strong magnet. I'll put the information in the description, but it's a neodymium ring magnet. It comes in various shapes and sizes at the store. It comes in this was a pack of 3, and I'll show you how I use the magnet. Now the purpose of using the magnet is to find the nail that was used to attach the sheetrock to the stud. And because the nail is metal, this magnet will help find it. So what I did was I attached the magnet to a string, and I'll place this along the wall slowly to see where the magnet will attach. And only a very strong magnet is going to work. The lighter magnets will not be able to find anything through the tile. So what you need to do is just trace the magnet against the tile wall and see where you'll find an attachment. Oh, there we go. So if you see here, the magnet is just hanging there, and there we go. We found a nail. So this is where the stud is. The nail that was used to attach the sheetrock to the stud is right there. And what we can do is verify that there are a row of nails, which will be on the stud. So if we go down, there we go. There's another nail. And there's another one. And the magnet is getting attached to the grab bar. So that's an easy way to find the stud behind tile. So best of luck with your project.